Good morning everybody. This is Radha Madhavi. I am from Sadhuvaswani International School. I take up value education for your class. Today I am going to take you through a story of Guru Ramdev. Guru Ramdev ji was the fourth Sikh Guru. He was the personification of humility, dedication, discipline and godliness. Because of these virtues, he had many disciples. All the disciples had a lot of faith in him and they have dedicated their services towards him. One among those disciples was Arjun Dev. Arjun Dev also had a lot of faith in him and he continued to do whatever the work given to him. Guruji asked Arjun Dev to wash the utensils all the day. Without any second thought, he continued to do his job. Some days passed and some of the disciples of that ashram came to him and asked, Arjun, you spend all the time only in washing the utensils. Why don't you come to pray along with us and spend some time with Guruji? He teaches lot of devotional and spiritual things to all of us. You are missing all of them. Why don't you join and take some blessings from him and impress the Guruji? Then Arjun Dev replied very politely, I have come here not to impress our Guruji and I have complete trust in our Guru. Whatever the Guru says, that is for our good. I completely believe in it. Saying this, he continued to do his job. And the disciples felt it's waste of talking to him and they left the place. As the days passed, the end of Guru has neared. So he decided to execute a will to decide his successor. Everybody had an opinion that they would be getting a chance to succeed his duties because they have spent a lot of time in prayers, in doing the spiritual works and participating in rituals and all. After the death of Guruji, the will was opened. Everybody had a very high hope about announcement of their name. But utter to their surprise, Arjun Dev's name was announced. Everybody shocked. How can Arjun become the successor of his Guru? He had never taken any prayers. So one of the wise men said, in the opinion of Guruji, our Arjun had all the qualities that needed to follow his. They questioned, Guruji, he never followed the spiritual discourses. He had never said any prayers. He had never done any services to the society except washing utensils. Then, where lies the justification of making him as a successor? Then, Guruji replied, one of the wise men who they considered the Guruji next to the Guruji said, it's the discipline which is the most prime factor. In fact, the quality of everyone should be complete devotion, faith, trust, but not the wisdom and the knowledge. Saying that, he concluded and he left the place. So with this, we have come to the end of the story. My dear students, I would like to say that this is very important for every one of us to have a faith and trust in our Gurus. Surely, in the ancient time, they had complete trust in God, in the Gurus. But now, the technology has improved a lot. And I have seen some of the students questioning the authority of the teachers because they have a lot of confidence that a single press of a button can bring the whole world in front of them. So, they have believed in that way, so they continued questioning the authority of the teachers. But children, do remember, the technology teaches through mind. but the teachers teach through heart. It is definitely important to have heart than mind. Mind tells what is good, what is bad, of course. But the heart says how to love, how to avoid the hatred. So I hope you all have understood the story, and I wish you all continue doing the good things and always follow the good deeds. So after the story, we have to follow the activity. I wish you all to collect the different good quotes about discipline and make a poster based on the collected quotations of discipline. Hope you have enjoyed this class. We shall meet in the next video. Thank you and have a bright day.